Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to use Pagefly in Shopify. So I'll be showing you step by step as a complete beginner how to use Pagefly to create beautiful product pages and overall to customize your Shopify store. The first thing you will need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, and right where you see apps, you're going to tap on that. After selecting it, in the search bar, I want you to type in Pagefly. So you're going to type in Pagefly, then you're going to tap on enter. After doing that, you will be redirected to the App Store. And you can see right here, Pagefly, you're going to tap on that. After selecting it, you can see that Pagefly has a very high ratings of 4.9. And you can see that it has also been reviewed by over 7,473 users, and you are going to tap on Add App. After selecting Add App, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you'll be able to complete the installation of the app. So you are going to tap on Install App. Once we have installed the app, we will be redirected to this dashboard. As it loads up, you are going to tap on Open Pagefly Dashboard manually. And you will be redirected to this dashboard right here. And all you have to do now, we can tap on Get Started. And from the left hand menu option, you'll be able to see the main dashboard, which is what we're on at the moment, as you can see right here. And you can see they recommend a few more apps, but we don't need to focus on any other app. You can also see the analytics right here, on which you'll be able to select. Once you have set up Pagefly, as you can see right here, you'll be able to check your conversion and all of that. And you will also see the amount of pages you have created by selecting pages right there. And you'll also see sections, and you can also select integrations. But the first thing that I would recommend you do, once on Pagefly, from here, after selecting pages, from here you could select regular pages. After selecting regular pages, you'll be redirected to this page right here, on which you'll be able to choose from numerous templates. So you could go down to the bottom right hand corner and tap on Create from Template. After you have selected Create from Template, you will see numerous templates you can choose from. So for example, if you want to create a landing page, you could select Landing Page from the left hand menu option. And then from there, you'll be able to scroll down and you can see beautiful landing pages that you could use. Also, if you would like to create a home page, you could select Home Page, and you can see the different home pages right here. Or you could select Product Page. So let me select Product Page. And after selecting Product Page, you can see the different options right here. And once you have found one, all you'll have to do is tap on it. But for this example, I will select this product page. So I'll simply tap on the product page that I want to use, as you can see right here. So I will select this one and then tap on Select Template in the bottom right hand corner. After you have selected the template, you will be redirected to the page editor, on which you'll be able to make the changes to the page that you have selected. So all you'll have to do now is scroll down and you will be able to start making the changes. You can do, for example, if you would like to change the image, you can tap on the current image, and from there you could select Clear. After you have deleted the image, you could tap on Select Image, and from here you'll be able to upload your own image. So you can see right here your images are loading, and then you could tap on Upload and you'll be able to upload your own product image. So let's say for example's sake, I want to use this image, and by the way, this is just a rough example. So I'll select a random image, for example this one right here. After you have selected the image, you can simply close out and tap on Select in the bottom right hand corner, and then you'll be able to add alt text if you want, and you can also add a title text, and you can edit the size. If you would like to enable full width, you could do that. If you would like to change the size of the image, you can also do that, as you can see right here. And also the image orientation, you can edit that. And if you would like to add a call to action below, you will see click action right here. You could select that, and from there you'll be able to add the action that you want. But for now, that will be it. All I want to do is add the image. After I've added the image, the next thing you can do, you could edit the header right here. So you could select the changes. So for example, you can tap on the header section and you can edit it from the right hand column right here. You can make any changes you want. You can change the text or so on. Once you are finished, you can scroll down even further and you can start making some more changes. So you can edit any section you want. All you have to do is tap on the section that you want to edit. Then from there you can change the text, or you can select if you would like to delete it or so on. You have numerous options, and by the way, you can select any section and you'll be able to edit it. Once you have selected the section, for example the footer right here, and all you'll have to do if you would like to make a change, you can see right here row. You can delete the row if you want, or you can add more information to the row. And you can also select styling if you would like to make any changes to the color or so on, or the font style. You can also do that. And you can select more settings if you would like to make even more changes, as you can see right there. Once it is finished and to your liking, you can either select all devices, or if you would like to view it in mobile, you could select mobile, and you can see how your page looks, as you can see right here in the mobile view. Once you are done, let me go back to all devices, and after selecting all devices, you can also see the sections right here. So you can choose whether you would like to add something, as I said earlier. And by going over to the top left hand corner, you will see add elements. So let's say for example you would like to add a content box. You could tap on that. If you would like to add a slideshow, you can also do that. As you can see right there, there are numerous elements you can add by simply scrolling down. So let's say for example you want to add a button below the picture. You could add a button. You can see numerous options right there. So for example, I could simply tap on button. Then you can see the different buttons that you can choose from. All you'll have to do is select the button that you want to use. And if you would like to add an image or video, you can also do that, as you can see right there. Or if you would like to add social media feed, you can also do that. And the beautiful thing about Pagefly, you can also add a countdown if you want. And you can also incorporate MailChimp or so on in it if you want also. Real quick and save it. So I'll select save. Then you can add the title, and I'll tap on save the page. Then I'll tap on got it. And once I've made the changes and I've saved it, you just can see that it is saving now. Once it has been saved, you could tap on the eye icon right here to view it. Just give it a few seconds. Then from here I'll select preview, as I want to see how it looks. And you can see right here how it looks at the moment. This is it. So if I were to go back now, all I'll have to do is tap on publish to publish this page. So you can see right here, I'll simply select publish and the page will now be added. So all I'll have to do is add the title. So I could type in the title test. Then you'll see the page URL right there, and I'll select publish, and it will now be published on Shopify. As you can see, we are given one free slot to publish, and you'll simply tap on publish, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to use Pagefly on Shopify, or how to edit Pagefly. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.